welcome back to the channel. I have another cut and collage book flip through for you. So this is Cut and Collage Easter Animals, and this is one of my books. So I thought I would go ahead and share it with you today. So this is what I call like the cover page. It always has a nice big image. This is my thank you page. It has the link to my author's page on Amazon, my free images page. So this is just a group of free images that I add to every book, so you kind of get a little bonus. So I have a full image page here that has Easter eggs on it. And then I tried to get a variety of different animals, as usual. This little dinosaur is so cute. This is this little monkey. Love this little warthog. This little bat. And they all are Easter themed, so they got Easter eggs or Easter baskets. This little alligator's cute. I was actually able to get a really good bee this time. Here's a ladybug. This tortoise is really cute. And here's like a pink pig. And a crocodile. This little tiger cub. And a chicken. I love this donkey. And this duck is cute. And the raven. And that's the last. So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.